So the story of Peredur exists in a Welsh form, Peredur, and in a French form, Perceval le Gallois. And it's spread through Europe in many other forms, but I think 800 years ago there was a meeting between French and Welsh storytellers somewhere in some bar somewhere, and out of that meeting this story emerged. And my idea was to see, well, 800 or so years later on, what happens if you put two storytellers and a musician from those same countries, speaking those same languages, in the same room, lock the door, see what happens. He plays in the trees. He plays hide and seek with himself. He takes sharpened sticks and he throws them at animals.
It's a very intense process. I think everybody is always jumping on a new proposition and reacting to the other. It's not always easy because sometimes we have to deal with the inner rhythm of each person, which is different each time, so we have to get in tune with the body language, the voice language, the whole feeling that one has of the story. But it's very nice because there is, with the time, because we have worked so much together, we build a really true and strong confidence, I think.
So I suppose that the improv process is here to take the quintessence, I don't know if you can say that, quintessence of the story, then this is improvisation, and then the story comes to us by a way, by the music, by the body, by the partner, by a way on the other, or the other. So, yeah, I suppose it's something like that.
Et lui, Peredur, il pense que c'est une coutume. Alors il reprend tous les morceaux de poulet et il les assemble.
He was wearing the strangest things. He had a metal thing on his head. He wanted to know what this metal thing was, and he asked, "C'est quoi? Sur ta tête?"
Et la bouche de la sorcière continue de parler et lui dit non. Ne me tue pas. You are strong. But you can learn more.
Covered in bits of chicken bones. And he sees the other man and says, "Rho'r cwpan nôl I fi." Rho'r cwpan nôl I fi. Mae'n rhyw fath o monster.